Find the equation of the circle which intersects the circle x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equal to 0 orthogonally and passes through the point 3, 0 and touches the y-axis. Find the equation of the circle. We are finding the equation of the circle here. Given condition is the circle intersects the given circle orthogonally. So we apply the orthogonal condition here and passes through the point 3, 0. Means we are replacing this point in the circle equation and touches the y-axis. Touches the y-axis means this is the circle passing through the point 3, 0 and touches the y-axis. Touches the y-axis means y-intercept is equals to 0. Y-intercept is equal to 0 means this is the x-intercept. This is there is no y-intercept here. So y-intercept is equal to 0. That is 2 root f square minus c is equal to 0. Y-intercept means this is the formula for y-intercept of the circle. So 2 root f square minus c is equal to 0 means f square is equal to c. Squaring on both sides we get the result as f square is equal to c. So touches the y-axis means we use this condition. Now coming to the solution, let equation of circle be. Let equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So equation 1. And the given circle is, next we are writing the given circle equation. Given circle is x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y minus 3 is equals to 0. So equation 2. Now what is the first condition? The circle is orthogonal to the given circle. So we are applying the orthogonal condition here. So given that first circle is orthogonal to the second circle. So we are taking the values first. So from first equation we are taking the values. Here 2g is equals to 2g, 2f is equal to 2f, c is equals to c. All values are same in the first equation. That is g is equals to g, f is equal to f and c is equal to c. Now coming to the second equation. Here 2g dash is equals to x quotient minus 6. 2f dash is equals to 4 y quotient and c dash is equals to constant minus 3. That is g dash is equals to minus 3, f dash is equals to 2 and c dash is equal to minus 3. Now applying the orthogonal condition here, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equals to c plus c dash. That is 2g into minus 3 plus 2f into 2 is equals to c minus 3, which implies minus 6g plus 4f minus c plus 3 equal to 0. See equation 3. Also given that the circle passing through the point 3, 0. Since circle 1 passes through 3, 0. So now we are replacing this 3, 0 point in the circle equation. 3 square, 9 plus 0 square, 0 plus 2g into 3 plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. That is 6g plus c plus 9 equal to 0. So equation 4. Now first solving these two equations. First we are solving the third and fourth equations, that is from 3 and 4. From 3 and 4. Now we are writing the third equation, fourth equation here. Minus 6g plus 4f minus c plus 3 is equal to 0 and 6g plus c plus 9 equal to 0. Now here directly minus c plus c and minus 6g plus 6c gets cancelled. Now the remaining terms are 4f plus 12 equal to 0. Then 4f is equals to minus 12. Then the value of f is equals to minus 3. Now this is the value of f. So already the given another condition is the circle touches the y-axis. Since circle equation 1 touches the y-axis, then the condition is f square is equal to c. Already we have that f is equal to minus 3 here, that is 9 is equal to c. Therefore the value of c is equals to 9. Now we are replacing these two values in the equation, fourth equation. Now from equation 4, from fourth equation, 6g plus c plus 9 equal to 0. But the value of c is equal to 9 here. 6g plus 9 plus 9 equal to 0. 6g is equals to minus 18. Then the value of g is equal to minus 3. Now we are replacing these three values in the circle equation to get the required answer. Three values in the circle equation. Therefore, equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 3 into x plus 2 into minus 3 into y plus 9 equals to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y plus 9 equals to 0, which is the required answer. That's all. Now, find the equation of the circle which cuts the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 10x minus 4y plus 21 is equal to 0 orthogonally and has the diameter along the straight line 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Find the equation of the circle. We want the circle equation. Given condition is the circle is orthogonal to the first circle and the circle is orthogonal to the second circle. So these are the conditions, and also given that the diameter along the straight line 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Now given that this is the diameter of the required circle, that is the center of the required circle lies on this line. That is the given data. So let us start the solution. First we are taking the equation of the circle. That equation of circle will be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So equation 1. Now we are applying the orthogonal condition to the given circles. For that, first we are writing the given circle equations. Given circles are x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 equals to 0. So equation 2. And x square plus y square minus 10x minus 4y plus 21 equals to 0. This is equation 3. Now we are applying the orthogonal condition to the 1 and 2 ones and 1 and 3 ones. So since 1 is orthogonal to the second circle, first circle is orthogonal to the second circle, we are taking the values first. From the first equation we have 2g is equal to 2g, 2f is equals to 2f and c is equal to c. That is, these are the values which are taken from first equation from 1. Which implies g is equals to g, f is equals to f and c is equals to c. Now from the second equation, 2g dash is equals to minus 4, 2f dash is equals to minus 6 and c dash is equals to 11. That is, g dash is equals to minus 2, f dash is equals to minus 3. Now replacing all these values in the orthogonal condition. Orthogonal condition is 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. That is 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into minus 3 equals to c plus 11. That is minus 4g minus 6f equals to c plus 11. Used to negative times to that side, that becomes 4g plus 6f plus c plus 11 equals to 0, which is taken as the fourth equation. Now we are applying the orthogonal condition to the circles 1 and 3. That is, since 1 is orthogonal to the third circle, so we are taking the values first from equation 1. We have the values 2g is equals to 2g, 2f is equals to 2f, c is equal to c. Then g is equal to g and f is equal to f here. And from equation 3, 2g dash is equals to minus 10. 2g dash is equal to x quotient minus 10 and 2f dash is equals to minus 4 and c dash is equals to 21. That is, g dash is equals to minus 5 and f dash is equals to minus 2. Now applying the orthogonal condition, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equals to c plus c dash. That is, 2g into minus 5 plus 2f into minus 2 is equals to c plus 21. That is, minus 10g minus 4f is equals to c plus 21. Now changing these to negative terms to that side becomes 10g plus 4f plus c plus 21 equals to 0. So equation 5. Now from 4 and 5 we are solving the equations 4 and 5. So from 4 and 5. Now here we are writing the equations 4 and 5. From fourth equation we have that 4g plus 6f plus c plus 11 equals to 0, which is the fourth equation, and fifth equation is 10g plus 4f plus c plus 21 equals to 0, which is the fifth equation. Now to cancel the letter c, we are changing the signs of the second equation here. Now here plus c and minus c gets cancelled. Now this is 4g minus 10g, which is minus 6g, 6f minus 4f, that is plus 2f, 11 minus 21 minus 10 equal to 0. Now taking minus 2 common, minus 2 into 3g minus f plus 5 equals to 0, that is 3g minus f plus 5 equals to 0. So equation 6. And also given that center minus g comma minus f lies on the line 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Given that 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 is the diameter of the circle. So center lies on that circle. Now we are replacing center in that circle, in that line equation. That is 2 into minus g plus 3 into minus f is equal to 7. Which implies minus 2g minus 3f equals to 7. Which implies writing this to negative terms to that side, it becomes 2g plus 3f plus 7 equals to 0, which is equation 7. Now we are solving the 6 and 7 equations to find the values of g comma f. Therefore from equation 6 and 7, from 6 and 7, we are solving these two equations now. Sixth equation, 3g minus f plus 5 is equals to 0, and seventh equation, 2g plus 3f plus 7 equal to 0. Now to solve the equation, to solve these two equations, we apply the point of intersection method, that is minus 1, 3. Middle term coefficients minus 1, 3. Next we are taking the constants 5, 7. Next we are taking the first two terms 3, 2. First term coefficients 3, 2. Again we are writing the middle values minus 1, 3. Middle values, last values, first values, again middle values. Here we take the letters G, F, 1. Now applying the cross product rule, minus 1 into 7, minus 7, minus 3 into 15, 3 into 5 into 3, minus 15 is equals to F by 5 into 2, 10 minus 7 into 3, 21 equals to 1 by 3, 3 0, 9 minus 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus of minus plus 2. Now this is equals to G by minus 22 is equals to F by minus 11 is equals to 1 by plus 11. That is the value of G is equals to minus 22 by 11. Writing this value at this place, minus 22 by 11, and F is equals to minus 11 by 11. Writing this value at this place, minus 11 by 11. Therefore G is equals to minus 2 and F is equals to minus 1. Using G comma F values in the fourth equation, that is 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 1 plus C plus 11 equal to 0. That is minus 8 minus 6 plus 6 plus C plus 11 equal to 0. That is C minus 14 plus 11 minus 3 equal to 0, which implies the value of C is equal to 3. Therefore equation of circle is, now we are replacing these three values in the circle equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Now replacing the values, x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 2 into x plus 2 into minus 1 into y plus 3 equal to 0, which implies x square plus y square minus 4x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0, which is the required answer.